Ito yung kaso. Oh, grabe. Ang dami, guys. Ang dami, oh. Conspiracy to engage in sex trafficking by force, fraud, and coercion, and sex trafficking of children. Sex trafficking by force, fraud, and coercion. Conspiracy. Marriage fraud. Fraud and misuse of visas. Bulk cash smuggling. Promotional money laundering. Concealment money laundering. International promotional money laundering. Ang dami niyang money laundering, guys. At criminal forfeiture. Lakas na magtawag na may demonyo sa Malacanang, siya pala yung demonyo. May lehitimong complainant na dumaan na sa investigasyon ng District Attorney ng Amerika. Fuck you. What the hell are you smoking?